BMW World in Germany, and here with me is Mr. Florian, the main man behind the excellent work in lighting. Mr. Florian, say hello.
Hello.
As we can see, a perfect 14 days of continuous 9 hours every night under the rain. These gentlemen and his team,
Only the team
has accomplished a marvelous, more than fantastic job, lighting up perfectly every car, every corner, every ceiling in this fantastic museum, which is world-renowned BMW Museum of Germany.
It's done by Himmelblau, which is a famous Austrian architecture office, and they make many of these kinds of buildings, and the leading architect for this building was Paul Cart. He's an excellent architect, and you can see many of these
Organometric
is
shapes, designs, walkways.
Yeah, all these kind of designs and shapes have not been in the original plot. They added it later because originally they won the building only by the exterior design, and later on they talked to BMW to realize this wonderful
interiors as well.
Interiors, yeah.
Thank you very much. Would you like to tell us about the lighting design and how much time it took you to accomplish this mission?
Yeah, sure.
And what difficulties you have used during the installation, especially when installing different brands and integrating them together, from LED lighting manufacturers to HDL products and Smart-HDL products worldwide. Go ahead, please.
Sure. Actually, there are more than 400 intelligent lighting fixtures inside this building. The mostly used are these lights from Martin, Denmark. It's the exterior series, and they are CMY lights. We have them inside and also outside because
CNY it means?
CMY means cyan, magenta, yellow.
Ah, okay.
They are full color mixes, which you can see. And we also have installed on the other side, here on the Premier area, the lighting for all the cars, which is done with RE daylights. You can see here the Premier area where the people become the new car or get the new car once
they buy it?
Yeah, once they buy it. If you order a new car and it's ready, you can come here to pick up your new car. And if you have got all the papers, got your keys, you come down these stairs. And when you come down the stairs, the people of BMW will press a small button, and then your car will be lighted up and it will turn on the platform. So you can directly see, okay,
which company is controlling all these devices and scenarios and buttons and the control of these turnstiles?
The platforms and mechanics are controlled by a control solution from Austria, and it's connected via backnet with our software for the fixture control. They are all controlled by DMX, and all these DMX nodes in the ceiling are from HDL. So we installed them in each cabinet. Each cabinet is cooled. It's fixed up here in the roof, because the roof is a very, very special construction and it needs to cover a lot of weight. Because as you can see, there is a lot of roof without any supporting structure.
So it's
most of the whole weight of the ceiling
structure,
is covered by the double cone area in the corner. So the double cone area really holds the whole.
It's like a lift hoisting.
Yes, it's like a hoist.
Nice.
for the whole thing.
Nice.
And this was one of the major tasks. It took 4 years for 4 static engineering companies to make the statics.
Perfect it. Are you using equipment management system EMS with SMS by HDL?
Yes, we do. We have one SMS gateway installed that is transmitting the alert messages or some other messages, system alerts, stuff like this, stuff like that, to our office directly. So we always know if there are some fixtures not working. It focus on high quality in every area which they bought.
How many hours approximately are these LED lights? Do they need a lot of maintenance, replacement maintenance, or?
These exterior lights are all discharge lamps, so they are daylights originally with a 150 watt HQI, and the LEDs are from a German manufacturer. It's Systems. You can see it here around these car areas. And Martin lights need some support and maintenance from time to time. It's about 6,000 hours of operation. Then they need, for example, sometimes new fans or especially new bulbs for sure. But they are working very reasonable, because you have to imagine that these fixtures are running up to 20 hours a day here.
Wow.
Each day.
Each day.
It really means that they are reasonable.
Heavily used.
Yeah, heavily used. If the sun is coming, and you have to imagine that they are all driven by motors, because they are electromechanical lights.
Can you change the direction of these lights as well, or they are fixed?
They are fixxt.
They are fixed.
Especially because the lighting design is by AG Licht. It's a German lighting designer that is very often working closely with From Munich Germany, and they really want to have this look. So even nobody is allowed to change the angles or the look of the whole installation.
It's fantastic, by the way. It's a piece of art.
Yes.
It is a piece of art.
It's intended also to be a piece of art, as the whole building is intended to be a piece of art. Actually, the idea of the lighting and also of the building is to have the wave, because the ceiling of the building should be a cloud which is coming out from a twisted tornado, and the lighting is also following this idea, because it's coming from the top, from the bottom of the tornado to the top, and then it's moving through the cloud. You can see the color move is going through a wave along with the cloud. It's all this metal construction, because it's covering the whole building, and they made very parts inside of here. It's from an Austrian company, and I would say they are really world leaders in doing this kind of things, because they made many, as you can see around here, they made many 3D shapes in metal that are really, really heavy to manufacture and also to install. And you can come here and take a look. Most of them are done very, very accurate.